Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps in Samsung Galaxy A05. For hiding the app, all you guys have to do just go to main menu. On the search bar here, we have option of three dots. So just click on three dots and then click on settings. After that, scroll down. So you guys see option of hide apps on home screen and app screen. So just click here and then select the app which you want to hide. I am selecting Facebook and gallery. After that, click on done. So now go back. As you guys see, we don't have option of Facebook and gallery here. That's mean the app is now hid. And if you guys want to using these application, all you guys have to do just again click on three dots and then click on setting. After that, go to hide apps on home screen and then deselect these application. After that, click on done so that the application will be appears again. So this is how we can hide application in Samsung Galaxy A05. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.